国画
国画
Red, green, black, white, heavy, light, dry and wet changes of water and ink on paper show the mysteries of traditional Chinese painting. 国画 Tools and materials involve writing brushes, ink, colored ink, rice paper, and silk. The hardness or softness of brushes, paper absorbency, and color determine the features of 国画. Water, ink, and lines are the most essential factors for 国画. Unlike Western paintings, 国画 doesn't use three dimensions or realism. Instead, paintings involve a unique Chinese view of scenery. It's very common that a Chinese painting is attached with a poem. If you understand 国画, you will have a better understanding of Chinese people.
"国画"
国画